What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video. Today's video, gonna be doing a mirror on a customer 2017 Nissan Murano. The driver's side mirror is smashed back into the shop. Got this piece, gotta put it back on. Here's the new mirror off of Amazon. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All you're gonna do, reach in here, you're gonna get behind the mirror and pull on it, and it'll just kind of pop out. Take the new one. This one's non-heated. I'm just gonna take the new one. And it'd be better if I had both hands. Let's see. Oh, man. Let's see, something's holding us up here. Oh. Let's see what's holding us up. Is it the top part? Let me get this on and I'll be back. It's hard to do with two hands. Everyone just kind of, it pops on just like this one. You can see it's got the little clips and stuff where it pops on. Put that in up, dump it in the trash. Let's take this piece. You ain't gotta take this off, but this piece just kind of, it pops back on. Alrighty, literally takes about 3 minutes and you can have the new mirror on. So that's gonna be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.